Welcome. In front of me I have PlayStation 5 and I'm going to show you how we can make the first setup of this device. So at the first we have to grab our controller and connect this controller with the USB-C cable. And when you do this, you have to grab this controller and then tap on the PlayStation button in the middle. And right now we can choose the language. So let's go with English. Click X. And when you want to confirm, you have to simply click X. When you want to back, you have to tap the back button, the round button, right? So right now we are going to connect to the Wi-Fi. I'm going for this one. We have to enter the password of this Wi-Fi. Okay, when you input the password, you have to click OK. And right now it's going to connect to our Wi-Fi network. Click OK. And then just move with the arrows. Click Next. Here we are going to set it up darker. We are adjusting the HDR function, and right now we have to click the up arrow to set it as bright. Click OK. Okay, we are going to continue without disk. We are not going to use any game, so click. I think that we can go for the optimized experience, so choose this one, then go below for OK. Right now we have to read the stuff right before use, but I think that no one of you is going to make it, so just click back, then move on the right, and then we have to accept, agree with the X and click confirm. Right now we are also able to sync in with our account. If you don't have account, you are able to create a new account, right? But we can also do this later, so just go for this option in the right corner, and right now we are able to set our character, I mean the profile avatar. So maybe we can say maybe this one, and then just change the name of the user, then click done and go for the OK. Let's confirm and continue. And here we get the notification that you are welcome to the PlayStation 5. And as you can see right now, we are able, for example, to transfer data from PS4 to PS5. If you want to make it, you have to go here and then go for the data transfer. Then click continue, and of course you have to remember that you have to connect both console to the same Wi-Fi network. Of course, before that you have to log into your account. You can create an account. You can also use this feature that you are able to scan the QR code and you will be also connected to your account. So yeah, you can also change other things, like for example date and the time. You can change the time zone. You can enter the web browser, and also we can adjust the accessories. You can here connect your controller through Bluetooth, right? So we can unplug this USB-C cable, and here just go and connect this controller. You can also set up other devices, as you can see here, and now you just can adjust every function here as you like. So that's how we can make the first setup of the PlayStation 5. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!